we've got the tongue and the mouth here. The nose is more to do with the yellow energies and relates to this bone between the eyes called the ethmoid. So you've got sinuses between the eyes, in the nose. You've got sinuses out here. I'm not going to go into it too much depth. I just want to show you it in the skull. See that bone there? The red bone, that is the fire sphinx. You've got the face here. The nasal passageways are here. So you've got the air coming through here, the nasal passageways, and then this whole center of this fire sphinx is sinuses. And then the ears are here, and then this mastoid process behind your ears there, that's also sinuses. The ethmoid between the eyes is meant to be part of the cranium. So you've got sinuses in the cranium here, here, here. You've got sinus, and here you've got sinuses in the face, these big maxillary sinus here, and you've got open passageways of the nose and the nasal passageways. So we're going to be working with all of that. Well, we may do, you know, we'll have to see how far we're going to get. I'm going to be teaching people holographic breathing to start off with. Then we're going to go into that. If you want to do this in depth, come to the advanced webinars. I don't have to teach holographic breathing in those. We just go into the topic. There's 2 hours where we can talk with it and do the meditation. So they're much more in depth. They are paid for, but they're not expensive. It's all very reasonable. And we'll be carrying on from here this Sunday.